Thank you once again for joining Super 24 TV. Information where we are say a tons who are ever blogging about. Not too long ago, maybe blogging about say Auntie Naa, Lawyer Kumpala, Maame container is back in Ghana after say Oko Canada, relax the nerves, relax the body, relax be or the fresh energy about back. And then Monday 3rd of October 2022 after news no obeshe the program obi anim say odi no Oyerepa FM no ase ewo Oyerepa 100.7 no so na the etie nie okoye no eye maame on the screen so your friend of maame Korankye na wabo adwuma pa ene the baton no ama Auntie Naa say madam the boss woman je na etwa udwumadie so na cha say Auntie Naa agi the seat and then obe drive the Oyerepa Afutuo radio show no live ewo Oyerepa 100.7 Auntie Korankye, to be very honest with ourselves, it appears Ghana mine Asante mine and then omo mutie Oyerepa Afutuo in general no, they didn't miss Auntie Naa much. Yeah, into these social programs. And I'm near to a program they also cried. I didn't say Auntie Naa na host to until say Jimu Ebaba America says no, we're a different person. Auntie Naa will be around. So that is what it is. And see, Auntie Naa once again, Yemana Akwaba, Super 24 TV, Yemana Akwaba. But I won't subscribe here, I know I hit the red subscribe button. If it's a top yeah, the bro, it will fear has say Super 24 TV, the blog man, maybe you may do see a child be brave.